What's up with Crypto Muscle? Coming to you another YouTube video. Here we are, internationally now, worldwide. Because we're at Crypto Muscle and the Crypto Muscle Network coming to you another video. Yes, I know, I am the Crypto Muscle. Alright, pumping iron and pumping crypto. That's what I like to do. And I know I'm full of gimmicks with the fake lasers and being internationally renowned and syndicated all across the world. I mean, it's a crazy deal I got going on over here, just I am who I am. The phenomenon in this space. Alright, so enough of that stuff. Let's take a look at GELDFI. Alright, Geld Finance. I like calling it GELDFI, because Gel, right? GELDFI. Yeah, see? But yeah, so this is a 10% daily for 14 business days, right? See where they stand right now. Wow, look at that. 23 days, 117,000. Looking very good right now. Alright, very, very good. And I got in at the beginning. So guess what? First cycle complete. Completed my first cycle in this thing now. Has 14 business days. That passed. And just wanted to show you guys what we got going on over here. So let's see here. We already looked at the amount of days and time we're in it. 23 days. 117,456. And we'll see how this baby rolls. Alright. $30 minimum. $2,500 max. I think they raised the roof again on this one. The ceiling, I guess you want to call it. I think it started out at 1,500, then they increased to 2,000. Now they increased to 2,500. 14 business days, you make 40% pure profit, right? And withdrawals take 24 to 48 hours. Okay. You have a 10, 2, and 1 on the referral program there on sharing the opportunity. So it's right in what a typical platform would offer, 10, 2, and 1, right? And they also have new links to the new Telegram and support channel, so keep that in mind, alright? Which is posted, see where it says verify from the website? That's how you could do that, right? So this is the new Telegram, verify from the website. We clicked directly from the website. That's how you know it's a real one, because the old Telegram chat got hacked, and they even went ahead and told everybody, hey, watch out, this account got hacked, come to this new group, alright, and verify on the website, which is what they said here. So on the website, you click on it, boom, you're there, right? So just a heads up on that. If you're trying to find out the correct Telegram, it's at the bottom of the GELDFI front page here. Alright. So with that, let's go inside now. So it says no deposits yet, because my initial deposit has earned its way out. So now I've already withdrawn 520, and I still have another 200 here. Total earnings is 700, because it's, you make pure profit 40%. So I got 203.51. 351 I don't think is withdrawable, because it's let's see, too low of a minimum. I think you need at least 10 bucks. So I'll show you right now. I think we need at least 10 bucks. Yeah, 10 bucks. So 200, we'll go here. to request. And then 2FA it, and we get it within 24 to 48 hours. And they take a 1.9, so basically a 2% withdrawal fee, which is fine. 2% withdrawal fee is, to me, another sign that they are a working platform. So we'll see if how this thing pulls through. In the meantime, if this comes through, that's $200 pure profit. I've already earned my initial $500 back, right? And so I'm going to restart a new deposit once again and put in another $500. So I'm going to do that right now. Alright, because I've already earned it back. And so $200 pure profit. So if I go through this cycle above and beyond at least, $300 of pure profit, then the next cycle, alright, the very next cycle, it's just house money the rest of the time. As long as it keeps paying, we're going to see if it does, alright? We just got to take it a cycle at a time. We can't look too far into the future and be like, oh my gosh. It's just one of those things where we just have to take it a day at a time, a cycle at a time. And if it comes through, alright, cool, it comes through. If it doesn't, then it doesn't. Give me one sec. So, let's see here. We have TFSKZ, TFSKZ, 500 for 500. Boom. Alright. We go from there. And then $200 pure profit comes back to me. And then 500 is put back in to start this cycle all over again. They earn money through Friday. So that means that being that today's Friday, might not be any earnings because it takes 24 hours to earn, so you probably won't see nothing until Monday. Alright, which we'll check back in on Monday anyways. So typically I do this on a Monday and Thursday video split, but what happened was since I had a day left before the cycle ended, I figured I'll just give it another day and redo my entry point once again and do a withdrawal and all that and do it all over again. It's the second cycle. So we'll see. We're starting the second cycle, and we'll see how it's going to come through and perform on the next series here. And again, we just got to do it, a little bit at a time here. I know that nothing can be really done at the moment except wait and see, right? So that's what we're going to do here. GELDFI. We're going to see how this is working, how it's coming through, and go from there. But so far it's been a pretty good, successful platform. It's in the likes of the C12, X12 phenomenon where they were doing 12% daily for 12 business days. This is 10% daily for 14 business days. So in the end, they relatively make almost the same thing. Alright, 140% with 40% pure profit here. And then the other one, the original OG plans, 12% daily for 12 days, business days, that's 144% with 44% pure profit. And as you can see there, deposit's been created. So we'll go back to the dash. Alright, so we're back in once again, $500. Boom, right there, $500. And you can see there, next earning, you can see that's counting the weekend already. So it won't be till Monday. That's what that countdown is showing. 3 days. Today's Friday. That means Monday. So just give me a heads up on that. When you look at over here, it says deposits 1,000, withdraw 520, pendings 200. So 1,000 means that I've already deposited twice now, because the first time completed, and now I'm back in for 500 once again. Now if the 200 comes through, that means I got paid out 720 on withdrawals, and the 720 on withdrawals is including the deposit. So you have to keep that in mind as well, that these platforms such as GELDFI, you earn your deposit back. You don't get it back, you earn it back. And then after your first 100%, that's pure profit, because that's the mentality you want to have in this profession that we do, is being able to like and enjoy what you do, and go from there, right? So that's what I pretty much practice and preach myself, right? So take a look at it. The link is in the description. You can see it's picking up steam, because it has 117,000 now, alright, which did not have just a few days ago. And so people are noticing. That's all I got to say about that. People are noticing. So you just never know what you're going to get. That's why I'm just saying, you should check it out. See if this is something you're liking in the form of C12 and X12. It's kind of in that area, even though it's not really. It kind of is, just a little bit, right? So that's what you got to look at there. And then from there, it's proven itself to be consistent, and I've been very consistent with you guys when it comes to just wham bam and taking care of the opportunities. So take a look though. This is one of several platforms I'm in right now. Any one of them can be good for you. Any one of them will come to an end at any given time, and that's the reality, because I do like to bring the reality in crypto, right? And it's not very nice. That's the reality, alright? You just have to be a good navigator. So it might not be very nice and glamorous sometimes, but all you gotta do is just be a good navigator. And then that way, when there are things like rough times, then you just got to figure out how to maneuver through all that, lay down, all that good stuff. So pretty funny. Take a look at this. I got many other opportunities I always bring on the channel. I always bring in a wide array. Alright, so this is kind of like an in-between a middle and high risk opportunity in GELDFI. Also have a list of traditional platforms. I also have traditional hypes. These are just stuff that I'm all about in terms of what was this, 582? Oh, that's okay, never mind. That was for the alts. Yeah. Oh yeah, definitely. Anyhow, sorry, I was asked a question, so I was, oh yeah. But yeah, so sorry about that. Yeah, so check out GELDFI. Very interesting platform. They got a new Telegram group, so make sure you go to the new Telegram group and get off the old one. It's been compromised. So other than that, thank you. Comment down below. Links are in the description for everything I have. I also have alright, enough of all that. I know. Anyhow, comment down below, subscribe to everything I got. I got my Telegram group, got my link tree, and I also have a third channel. Check it all out. Thank you, and I'll see you next one.